Hey loves, it's Danny here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tutorial, very short, on just how I just fix up this nice looking low slick ponytail with some added in hair. So let's get this started. So first things first, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. So first things first, what you saw on the picture, on my pictures, is that I had this ponytail. It's like a hair piece, and then I have this one. Now if you've been following my Instagram at It's Danny, you would have seen that I had like a long straight ponytail. Well, I still have that one, but I just want to try something new for this video, so that's why I bought these two. So this one's like super curly with a little bit of a red tone in there, and this one's more like a wavy and it's black. So what these are like little ponytails basically. So you fix up your hair into like a ponytail, and then you just take these two, there's clips on the inside, like right here is a clip and here's a clip, and then it clips onto your ponytail, and it's like a drawstring to tighten it. And then you just fix it up and do your edges and stuff like that, and then boom, there you go. You got a nice looking hairstyle for work, or if you want to go out real quick, or yeah. So let me just show you what I do real quick. So my hair is still damp. I'm gonna just take some moisturizer because I like my hair to be moisturized when I'm putting it in like a protective style. Now I'm gonna take my brush, nice dimming brush here. Just brush it back. Nothing slick, I just want to get my hair back. We'll slick it down later. Voila! So this is mine. And what I do, just to keep everything together, is I go ahead and take my ends and either twist them or braid them. But this time, to keep it up, I'm just going to braid it. It's gonna be a fat sloppy braid, but hey, we don't really care because it's gonna be under the ponytail anyways. There, that's good enough, honestly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and wrap it around and make it like a bun, so it's really tight. Okay, now since I have this all pulled back, I'm gonna start working on the top and how I want it to like lay down. So guys, I stopped by the store and got some edge booster. I got one that's green, it's by Style Factor. This one's just the edge control gel. And literally, I just picked this up from my beauty supply store. Smells pretty good, but yeah, it's just the edge control. And then, so this other thing by Style Factor, this one is a hair pomade stick. It says it's for strong hold. So it says what it's supposed to do is you apply it on dry or damp hair and brush it through. So I guess it's supposed to hold too. So you take this off and it kind of looks like a deodorant stick. That's interesting. I've never used that before. Alright, so I got one of these brushes with 1,000,001 bristles, and I got my handy dandy toothbrush. So first things first, I'm gonna do this pomade and slick it back down. So I think you just stick it in there like that. Oh yeah. Actually, this is working. I mean, I'm just gonna put it on, and then when I brush it, it won't be white anymore. This one smells good too. Oh, it's grape scent. No wonder. Alright, so it's like all in there, and I'm just gonna brush it back. Y'all, what? Look at how slick this is. Look at this piece compared to this piece. Like, amazing. Y'all, Y'all, I'm loving this right here. I'm loving it. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and lay these edges, because I love it when my edges is laid. Take my toothbrush, take a little bit of this gel, and begin to proceed. Y'all, I am loving these products, y'all. Like, come on now, what? And I just got them from my local beauty supply store. Just gonna put a little bit more edge control back into the hair, and I'm gonna get it back here a little bit too with the edge control. Now the back doesn't really, the back is just personal preference. You don't really have to do that because you're not gonna see it anyways. And there we go. Like, what? Okay, love. So let's go ahead and attach this ponytail now. So I got two, so I'll do two and see how they both look. So let's do the super curly one first. The drawstring is on the bottom, and you have two clips on the opposite side of each other. So what I do is I take my hands and make sure I know where the clips are before I go. So now my hands are on both clips, holding it together. Then I'm just gonna feel around for the drawstring, which is floating around in here. Keeping my hand on both clips. This hand has both clips and this hand has the drawstring now. So I'm pulling it. There we go. And it's getting tighter. And now the clips are holding it in. And I don't need my hand. So you take this and then just tighten it. Tie the drawstring. And there we go. Perfect. There we are. Now, if the drawstring doesn't want to hide, what you can do is take it and twist it around and hide it that way and tuck it under. Or you could take it and like tuck it under this like this piece. Sometimes it's hard though, so I like to twist it around and tuck it under. Okay, time for earrings. Perfect. All it takes is a nice pair of hoops, and there you go. You done did accessorized. It's awesome. Alright, so I'm just gonna try out the other one now. So the second one's more wavy, but same rules apply. Take the top hook and the bottom hook. Make sure you know where they are at all times. Hook it on the top. I'd like to do the top first and then the bottom. Some people like to do bottom and top. It's personal preference. But I hook them and always hold. Hold these hooks, man. You don't want them to slip out while you're trying to do the drawstring. And really, you kind of want it as tight as it'll go, because that means that it's secured around your ponytail. And you just pull it and lock it. And there we go. I like this one too. Alright, that worked out. I think tomorrow for work, I'm gonna rock the super curly one. Alrighty, loves, thank you for watching my tutorial today. I hope this was informative, or at least, you know, interesting to look at. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see some more, or you want to see how I rock these styles. And don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, you know, all that jazz. Leave a comment, tell me how you feel. Have you tried this before? Do you like it? You know, do you not like it? But just leave a comment, tell me how you feel, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching Curls by Danny. Take care. You know what, loves? I have a little side note that I'd like to tell you. So, first things first, if you once you lay this down and you want it to stay down and slick, even if your hair is damp, tie a scarf around it. Double double tie, triple tie, but just make sure you tie it and you lay it down, because when you have it tied down and you maybe sleep with it like that for the night or so, it'll keep it down and keep it flat. Also, if your hair is like mine where it's naturally super curly and it's hard to even get this slick back straight, because my hair right now is not even straight, it still has waves to it. That's why I use these curly ones, because this looks more realistic, like it's my hair, because it's curly and my natural hair is like slicked back and it's wavy. But if I have like that bone straight other piece that I've been wearing on my Instagram, it still kind of looks kind of off because this is straight and my real hair is like wavy. So blend your hair with the artificial hair, and then it'll look a lot more natural.